Every time I lay my head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I...
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today this video is basically about how can you get paid, how to get paid on YouTube, starting from scratch. Okay, they changed a lot of things in YouTube. So number one, you gotta create a YouTube account. That means you have to have a Gmail account and a password so you could sign in. After you sign in, the rules for YouTube, you basically have to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. They're going to review your account after when you meet that requirement. They're going to review your account for like 2 weeks or more, because they was in backlog like a couple months back. I don't know if they catch up now, but they're going to review your account, make sure everything is correct. But yes, I'm going to show you guys my step-by-step way how to get there and what to do. Mine is kind of different because I'm way ahead of a lot of people right now. I'm already monetized. There's different ways you could get paid. You could also get paid by affiliate marketing also, but I'm not going to talk about affiliate marketing. I'm only going to talk about and show y'all how to get paid by getting monetized, and they're going to put the ads on your video so you can get paid. You're also going to need to create get an AdSense account, but that's further down later on when you actually meet the requirements. But anyways, let's get into this trilogy. Here we go. You go to www.youtube.com, and when you finish typing it in, this page should pop up, and you're going to see on your right hand side at the top it's going to say signed in. You click sign in. Now if you don't have a Google account, which is basically an email account and a password, you're gonna have to just create one. When you finish create one, you come back on youtube.com, hit sign in, and it's gonna ask you for your email address and your password. You just type that in, and when you type that in, you're gonna be able to sign in. And when you signed in, you're gonna go on your right hand side on the top. It might not show a picture of you because I set mine that way, picture at the top on the right hand side. You click on it, and it's gonna scroll down and go to Creator Studio. So I click on Creator Studio. Okay, so I click on Creator Studio. This page will load up. Obviously you see my email address right there at the top, and it said the name of my channel. Okay, you're gonna click in view additional features. You click on view additional features. Wait until this load up, guys. Okay, the page load up. You see it said uploading, it said monetization, live streaming, enable live stream. Okay, since you're new and you just started your YouTube channel, some of these options you're not going to have available because you're new. You're going to need to get monetization. You're going to need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before you could start getting paid. But don't feel discouraged. Please don't. All you have to do is basically keep making content, record the favorite things that you love to do. If you love to do reviews, if you love to record how-to videos, if you love to record your shoes, talk about your shoes, your jewelry, perfume, talking about electronics, your phone, your PlayStation, whatever electronics that you have, and whatever electronics that you bought or you just buying, or any unboxing, or vlogging. You just love vlogging, going to the beach, go to the mall, you vlogging, you talking to and you're just doing a bunch of uploads. Just keep on doing it, because you will get known. The hard work you do, the hard work you put in, you will get out. So as I said, when you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours, this is gonna unlock right here that it said enable, and you just click on enable. When you click on enable, basically all your videos is basically gonna get monetized, you could easily go to your video manager. I'm gonna click on that in a second and show you. You just click on the $sign, and then your videos will get monetized. You will see the $sign. Okay. Before I click on that, I'm gonna show you. You're gonna also need to create a Google AdSense account. Right now, mine's is already have one, but you're not gonna have that option to yeah, mine's is so different. Oh man. Yes, you're gonna need to create a AdSense account, and when you create a AdSense account, once you get monetized, it's gonna show you your limit is basically you have to make to get the payout limit. You got to make $100 within the month, within 30 days, basically. So once you hit that $100 mark, they're gonna send you. You're gonna have to request for you to unlock your bank account or your card number, whatever, for them to start paying you. They're gonna send you a pin in the mail. You're gonna have to create. You're gonna have to send them. Put in your mailing address, so they could send you the pin. And once you put that pin in, it will unlock the options for you to get paid off YouTube. And I'm gonna go on my AdSense account and show you guys. It's gonna look different because mine is already unlocked. Guys, it's loading up. It's gonna look just like this, guys. As you can see, last month, I only made $203, which is better than nothing. I didn't really put in that much work to get that much. Those that I basically got, I basically made that off of my old videos because I didn't really put in that much work last month as I usually do. But it's gonna have it looks so different because it's not even showing here on the. Let me click on this right here. Okay, it said view payments. You're probably not gonna have that option. Okay, see it say view payments. I need to block that out right there at the check-in. It's gonna say how you get paid, and I basically could go in here and manage it. Click on it, and it'll show me basically if I could add another bank account number. So every month they'll basically transfer it straight to my account. So that's how I get paid, guys, when you create a Google AdSense account. But as I said before all this, you're going to need to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours before you could even get to this close. And you're going to still need a pin, because they're going to ask you for a pin, a Google pin. They're going to send you it in the mail. They're going to send you it in the mail when you create everything, when you get everything set up, before you could get this far. And you put it in, and it's going to accept it. I think it's going to take... Yeah, then it'll able to unlock your payment information when you put in your bank account number. But let me get back to the YouTube on this side. Okay, so to get your video monetized, when you already hit the 1,000 subscribers and the 400 watch time hours, to go on your videos, you click on Video Manager. So you click on Video Manager. You're going to have to go down to all your old videos that you already made, or what you already put in work with. Wait till this page load up. Okay, here it is. Here's Video Manager. You see this right here? Those is going to have like a slash. You're not going to even see the $sign. But once your channel is monetized, you're going to have the option to click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to say monetize, and it's going to turn green. And it's going to turn green, and that's how you start getting paid from YouTube. So you're basically going to have to monetize all your videos, what you made in the past, before you get monetized, guys. And that's basically how you get paid off YouTube, just by the ads, because they're going to put ads on your videos, and that's how you're going to get paid by. You get paid by the ads. The more people click on it, click on your videos, that's how you get paid by. And you get paid by every thousand views. So whichever videos is going to kick off real good, because I have some old videos. Look, I only have 453 videos. I have some older videos that I have like 90,000 views, 50,000 views, and they keep on growing every month. Every month people click on them to watch them because they're interested, they learn something from it, and I get paid by that. So this month I don't really have to do nothing. I'm still feeding off of next month, off of last month, off of this month, off of the last couple 2 years videos. I'm still feeding off of. So just keep on doing what you're doing. Don't feel discouraged. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and that's how you make money on YouTube. Peace out and bye-bye. Guys, that's all the information that I got for you. One more thing, please do not feel discouraged. Just keep on posting, keep on sharing your videos, because you still got social media. You can share them on Facebook, on Instagram, to all your friends. Just keep sharing your videos, make playlists, and keep on doing what you're doing. Keep recording, keep posting every day. If you could post 3 to 5 videos a day, the better, because the more you post, the more better for you. And when you hit like around 100 videos or more, that's when all your videos is actually going to start being at the top. So when people go on YouTube, your video might be one of them at the top that's pop up. So just keep doing what you're doing. The more you put in, the more work you put in, the more results you will get out of it. So don't feel discouraged. Keep on doing what you're doing. Your channel will grow. It takes time, but it will grow, guys. And I have one more tip for you guys. They have this app called TubeBuddy. I'm gonna leave a link. I might leave a link in the description, or I might just put it on the screen. It's called TubeBuddy. They charge, I think, for low channel. They have something going on for lower channel that's under 1,000 subscribers. I think they charge you like $4 and change, and you can put tags in your videos. And tags is for people to easily find your videos faster. It actually helps. Trust me, I have it. I'm still paying the $4 and change. Like, you could unlock more, which is like $10 or something like that, but I don't have the $10 one. I got the lower one, but it's levels to it. But yeah, you can check that out and investigate, and just keep watching other people's videos, and just keep investigating to get more information. Don't just feed off of this one information that I'm telling you. Still investigate to get larger, because that's how you do. You learn more. The more you learn, the more you grow. So once again, guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe. If you want a shout out, I'll give you a shout out to help you grow, guys. I know I don't really have the time, but I will do my best to help you guys out. So thanks again. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Have a blessed day. I'm out of here. Bye-bye.